Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making a delicious savory gravy. This is very easy to make, it's pretty healthy, and I think you'll love it. The ingredients in this recipe are raw cashews, kosher salt, onion powder, garlic powder, instant chicken style broth seasoning, Bragg's liquid aminos, nutritional yeast flakes, flour, ground black pepper, and water. So we're going to add all our ingredients to the blender and blend it until it's smooth. The water, we're only going to add enough where we're going to make 4 cups total. So we'll see how much water that is when we get to the water. So we have 1 cup of raw cashews, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, or whatever salt you choose, 2 teaspoons onion powder, a half a teaspoon garlic powder, 4 teaspoons instant chicken broth seasoning. So this doesn't have any real chicken in it, so you can use a regular real chicken broth seasoning, or this is no chicken, it's fake. So 4 teaspoons. Next, 1 tablespoon Bragg's liquid aminos, 1 tablespoon nutritional flakes, 3 tablespoons flour. I just have a white all-purpose flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon ground black pepper. Now you can adjust all these seasonings to your taste. And then we're going to add water to make 4 cups total. Got the 4-cup line right there. I'm going to blend it until it's very smooth. I'm going to start on low and then increase the speed to high. I'm going to check it to see if it's very smooth. We want it very smooth. Well, I can't tell with all the bubbles. It looks very smooth. I'm going to double check I have 4 cups. I do. Looks very smooth. So now we're going to pour it into a saucepan. We're going to cook this over medium heat. I'm going to stir or whisk constantly to prevent lumps. I'm going to use a whisk, so we want to bring it up to simmer. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on it. You can see the gravy is getting a lot thicker, and it's especially important to constantly stir it once it starts simmering. We'll cook it a little longer to get it thicker. You could add more nutritional yeast to have a more savory flavor. Add more onion or garlic powder for a stronger flavor. If you would like a deeper color, this is pretty light, you could add a splash of the Bragg's liquid aminos at the end of cooking. I'm going to have it just like this. Okay, I was going to cook this a little longer to get it thicker, but it's starting to rain and it's really loud, so I'm going to turn the heat off now, and we're going to try it. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but suddenly it got really loud. So I have some mashed potatoes. This would be good on a loaf. Patties. Anyways, here we go. Very creamy and smooth. It smells amazing. I'm going to let it cool a bit. You can adjust all the seasonings to your taste. You could store the leftovers and reheat them. Does this look amazing or what? So I'm going to try a bite. This tastes amazing. It is so creamy, smooth, flavorful. I think you're going to love it. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.